Hi y'all, welcome to Donna's Farmhouse Kitchen. Well, today I'm going to be making you some fried cabbage. I love fried cabbage, but of course y'all know me, I love flavor in my food, so we have to have bacon. So I have about 4 strips of bacon, and we are going to cook that on medium heat. We don't want to burn it. We just want to add some flavor to our cabbage. So while that is cooking, let me move this off to the side and let that cook. And you're going to hear that sizzling as I'm talking. We're going to chop up the cabbage. So I like nice little chunks. So we're going to make probably about 1.5 to 2 inch chunks, something like that. Whatever we end up with. I made this once before and the video messed up, but it tasted good. I just hate it when I go through all that trouble of making a video and then something happens to it. So let's hope it doesn't happen again. Now what I'm going to do is kind of break up the cabbage so when I put it in it's easier to mix up, since I have time to do it anyway. Then I'm going to chop up a Vidalia onion. Love me some sweet Vidalia. So now I'm going to cut up my Vidalia onion, and as you see, I have my handy dandy, very damp paper towel there, hoping not to have tears in my eyes by the time I'm finished, because that's what onions do to me. So the damp cloth method usually works. It kind of cuts it down for me. Pretty much, I can feel it a little bit because it's already bothering me a little bit, but it was bothering me because I didn't have the paper towel down. Ooh, I can feel it. Because, because onions like to go to the nearest moisture and it's your nose and your eyes. Well, and your mouth. Okay. So I'm going to bring this over here. I'm going to bring the pot closer. Here's my cabbage. So I have 2 tablespoons of butter that I just put in, and the 1 chopped Vidalia onion, and we're just going to saute this and break up that onion. And also get up some of these bits, a little bit of those bits as we're sauteing those onions, because that's going to make that cabbage taste even better. Then we have some nice yummy seasonings that are going to go in this. I don't know if there's anything much better smelling than bacon and onions cooking together. And it makes this cabbage taste delicious. So now I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of water. Stir everything around. Now we're going to start adding some seasonings. I'm going to put in some kosher salt, about 1 teaspoon. Whoa. About 1/4 teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper, and 1 teaspoon of Vidalia garlic powder, And speaking of Badea, of course my Badea Complete Seasoning. Just 1/4 of a teaspoon though. This seasoning makes everything taste good. I can thank my mama for turning me on to this. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Scatter it around. And let's add some of our cabbage. Or all of it. I think we may be able, let's get all of it in there. And another thing I want to add down in there is that last 2 tablespoons of butter. I'll put that down there, let that melt. I'm going to put a lid on this, let it cook down just a little bit, and then start stirring. And I usually stir about once every few minutes because I want the flavors to get all through all of that cabbage. So I'm just going to continue to cook this until it's to the tenderness that I like. You cook it to the tenderness that you like. And I like it pretty tender myself, so hope y'all enjoy this recipe and make it for your family. But keep stirring it. You're just gonna love it. So thank you so very much for joining me. Y'all have a great day, and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that way you will always know when I have one of these delicious recipes. Have a great day. Bye-bye.